Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Zabbix 7.2 with PostgreSQL as the database on Rocky Linux 9. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to Zabbix official website, that is zabbix.com. See here, at the time of installation, latest release of Zabbix is 7.2. Click on Get Zabbix, then click on Zabbix Packages. See here, we have the versions from 5.0 to 7.2 and 7.4 is the pre-release. Okay, so select the Zabbix server version 7.2, then select the OS distribution Rocky Linux. Then see here we have the Rocky Linux 8 and 9. So select the version Rocky Linux OS 9. Then we have to select the Zabbix components. So I'm going to select server, frontend and agent. Then database. Okay, select PostgreSQL. Then web server Apache. If you haven't installed PostgreSQL on Rocky Linux, then search for my YouTube channel how to install PostgreSQL on Rocky Linux. Okay, so I have already installed this prerequisite. The other prerequisites are Apache web server and PHP extensions. So open terminal, verify whether Apache web server is installed or not. Sudo systemctl status httpd. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, Apache web server is not installed, so install it. Sudo dnf install httpd. Hit enter. Whatever the commands that I am going to execute in this video are available in the video description. See, it is going to install Apache web server version 2.4 and these dependencies. Type a confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now verify. Sudo control A, sudo systemctl status httpd. See, it is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start httpd. Hit enter. Also enable it. Sudo systemctl enable httpd. Now verify the status. See, Apache web server is running and it is enabled. Quit control it. Now, so this prerequisites match. Now we have to install following PHP and its extensions. I will keep this command in the video description. We have already installed httpd. Okay, type A for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Control A. Now we have to start and enable the php-fpm. Sudo systemctl status php-fpm. See, it is installed but it is not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start php-fpm. Also enable it. It is done. Verify. See, we have started and enabled. FPM means PostgreSQL process manager. Okay, you took it, control it. So prerequisites are installed. So once again check the details. Version 7.2 OS distribution Rocky Linux version 9 because I am on Rocky Linux 9.5. Okay, then select components, then select database as PostgreSQL, then web server Apache. But if you want to install by using MySQL, search for my YouTube channel. There is another video for the same. Okay, so once you selected these options, see here it populated the list of the commands that needs to be executed. So, and see here the step A, if there are any Zabbix packages installed, then we have to disable by going to this file, or if it is not there, you have to create. Okay, so I don't have any packages, so I am skipping this step. And then we have to install this RPM package. So copy this one up to this end, go to here, sudo, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now dnf clean all. Sudo dnf clean all. It is done. Now install the Zabbix server frontend and agent by copying this command. So don't copy this hash symbol. Copy from DNF to up to this Zabbix agent. So paste it, sudo, paste it, hit enter. See, it is going to install these components and these dependencies. Type A for confirmation, hit enter. Type A and hit enter. See, you have successfully installed. Now create the user in PostgreSQL server and database. Okay. See, make sure you have database server up and running. So verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -17. See, PostgreSQL server is running. Q to quit, Control A. Now run these commands. First it will create the user. So copy it, paste it, and this is the username. Zabbix is the username. Okay, hit enter. Then provide the password for this user. I am giving admin at 123. Again provide the password. Hit enter. It is done. Now create the database with owner as Zabbix. So copy it, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now verify whether this user and database is created or not. Sudo su-postgres PSQL \l is the command to verify list of databases. See here, database Zabbix is created and this is the owner. Also verify users. See, we have the Zabbix user. Okay, exit. Again exit from the Postgres user. Control A. Now we have to import initial schema data. So copy this command, paste it, hit enter. See, it is creating objects and inserting data. It is done. Now we have to configure the database for the Zabbix server. So go to this file and provide the password for the user. Okay, so edit this file. Control A, sudo vi, then paste it, hit enter. Then go to the parameter db password. See, database name is Zabbix and db username is Zabbix. But if you have given some other name, then you have to remove the Zabbix and provide the username. Then see here, we have the db password. Remove the hash, shift A, then provide the password. Save, escape, :WQ, exclamation to save the file. Hit enter. We have successfully set the db password. Then we have to restart the Zabbix server, agent and other processes. We have already restarted these two processes anyway. Copy and paste here, sudo. You must give sudo, hit enter. It is done. Now enable. So copy this one, sudo, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now open Zabbix UI web page. So copy this path, paste it, new tab. Here, see here, instead of host, we have to give the host name of this one, that is localhost. Okay, so remove this host, give localhost, hit enter. See, we got the welcome page, and see, and this is the version. And if you want to change the default language, you can select from this list. I'm okay with the English US. Then click on next step. See, prerequisites all are green and okay. So click on next step. Now we have to configure the database. So select the database type, PostgreSQL. Database host is localhost. Port for the PostgreSQL is 5432. Database name is Zabbix. Then database schema. Verify, sudo. Now switch to Zabbix database. \tn is the command to verify list of schemas. See, it is public. So provide the name of the schema, public. Then username Zabbix. Then provide the password. That is admin at 123 in my case. Then click on next step. Not now. Then provide the Zabbix server name. Zabbix is installed on this one, so give localhost. Default time zone. Select from this list. I'm going with the defaults. Theme also same. Then click on next step. See, this is the free installation summary. If you're okay with all the settings, then click on next step. See, congratulations, you have successfully installed Zabbix frontend. Okay, and this is the configuration file. Okay, click on finish. Now connect to Zabbix. Username is admin. A must be caps. Password is Zabbix. It must be in small case. You can search this YouTube description for the username and password. Then click on sign in. Now, see, we have installed Zabbix server 7.2.7. Okay, and see here we have dashboard, monitoring services, inventory reports, and other information. And suppose if you want to change the password of this currently logged in user, click on users. Then again click on users. Then you have to click on this user, that is admin. Then click on change password. Then you have to provide current password and new password. Then you have to click on update. Okay, I'm cancelling this one. And if you want to create user, click on create user. Okay, and if you want to sign out, click on this sign out button. The last option that I'm going to show you is go to the terminal, exit from PostgreSQL, Ctrl A. Suppose if you stop the Apache web server, we will see what will happen. Sudo systemctl stop httpd, hit enter. It is stopped. See, Apache web server is stopped. So reload this page. See, we are unable to connect. Okay, so to connect to Zabbix server, Apache server must be up and running. So start it. Go to it, Ctrl A, sudo systemctl start httpd, hit enter. Now verify the status. See, Apache web server is started. Now reload this page. See, we have successfully connected. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Zabbix server 7.2 with PostgreSQL as the database on Rocky Linux 9. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.